How to assemble our full-motion quad monitor mount with gas spring. For clamp mounting, attach the L plate to the base of the pole. Stick the adhesive pad to the underside of the bracket. Attach the clamp to the L plate using the included bolts. Place the clamp in the desired location, then tighten the hand knobs until secure. Slide the decorative cover over the pole and snap it into the base. For grommet mounting, attach the grommet plate to the base of the pole. Slide the decorative cover over the pole and snap it into the base. Stick the adhesive pad to the underside of the plate. Slide the rectangular plate onto the grommet bolt. Place the pole over the grommet hole. Insert the grommet bolt from beneath, then tighten the hand knob until secure. Place the arm collar over the pole and tighten it in place at a suitable height. Lower the dual arm splitter onto the pole. Place an arm segment onto each side of the splitter. Attach a gas spring arm onto the end of each side's first arm. Ensure the arms are connected correctly and the black tab is fully engaged by listening for the click. Tightening the set screws at each joint will limit or prevent rotation. Proceed to do the same for the second set of arms. Do not attempt to straighten the VESA heads until they are connected to the monitor and the arms. Connect the VESA head to the monitor using the 4 provided bolts, then tighten until secure. Place the VESA bracket on the end of the mount arm. Loosen the bolt on the VESA bracket as shown. Hold the edges of the screen and tilt the monitor forward until the screen is facing forward. If necessary, adjust the gas spring tension to balance your monitors. Position the monitor horizontally. If it drops, increase tension. If it rises, decrease tension. To adjust, lift the arm to access the tension bolt and use the provided hex wrench. Rotate counterclockwise or to the plus sign for heavier monitors, or clockwise to the minus sign for lighter ones until the arm stays in place. Adjust the monitor tilt using the side bolt. If the monitor droops or won't hold its angle, tighten the bolt. To prevent rotation, partially or fully tighten the set screw on the back. Route any cables through the cable management system on the arms.